Assalamu alaikum friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be a bit different. In my video, I'm just gonna give you a small advice. Be yourself. This is my advice for you today. Because I have been watching a few feel-good movies this weekend because it helps me unwind, and these movies had me thinking. First of all, I watched Enola Holmes because this is such a talked about movie nowadays. I'm sure all of you would have seen it. It portrays this young, bold, successful female who is tomboyish and not at all caring about her looks and what other people say to her about her dressing style. Then I watched Legally Blonde again because let's face it, it's a feel good movie and it's a really good movie. And it portrays this well dressed, pink, glamorous female who also doesn't care about what others think about her and her outfits because she wears the pinkest outfits to law school and she also is successful. Well, I know this is just real life and not the real life, but this got me thinking about fashion. That your fashion and your dressing style, it need not be like what others are doing. It just has to be for yourself alone. It is what you are comfortable with it. So it doesn't mean you have to dress a particular way just to be successful. Many people believe that being feminine or portraying yourself in a feminine outfit is not equivalent to being successful, and even many movies portray that. This need not be. You can be tomboyish and be successful, or you can be super feminine and still be successful. It is about what is right for you. You can have your own style whether it pleases anyone or not, and you can still be successful because success is all in your mindset. If you dress comfortably and if you're pleased with the way you look by your own self, that is the secret to success. You are more confident and you will be more successful. So this doesn't mean to dress offensively or inappropriately. It just means dress comfortably, whatever is comfortable for you. It's your choice. It's your choice whether you choose to wear pink to a formal event. So that be it. If you choose to wear, if you don't want to dress up for a party, then be it. It's your choice. It's your comfort. So make your own style and stick to it. Make your own identity. Just because all the influencers are wearing all nude because it matches their feed color theme doesn't mean you have to do it too. Choose your own color palette. Choose your own style. Choose your own theme and stick to it. And be comfortable with yourself. That is where confidence comes, and with confidence success comes. So that is my advice for you today. Be yourself, believe in you, and that is the secret to success and happiness. So be happy and be successful, and most importantly, be you. So I hope you enjoyed my video. So if you like my video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Masalama.